The Intensive Moisture Balance is a heavyweight moisturiser and ideal if you experience no oil shine during the day. As dry skin lacks the protective oil, the Intensive Moisture Balance helps protect and strengthen your skin's lipid barrier. It feels nourishing and soothing, providing intense moisturisation and hydration daily. The Intensive Moisture Balance contains a bio-replenish complex and contains a combination of key barrier lipids to help enhance your skin's natural resilience and support barrier recovery. Prebiotic chlorella algae complex helps rebalance the skin's natural biome by fostering the good bacteria to help diminish the dryness. Hyaluronic acid, combined with Echinacea, Centella asiatica and aloe extracts, help lock in hydration to help enhance your skin's moisture content and reduce the appearance of fine lines. After cleansing, exfoliating and toning, apply a pea size of the Intensive Moisture Balance to your face and neck area. Be sure to follow with an SPF during the day to protect your skin against the harmful UV rays. If you need advice about your skin and which moisturiser is right for you, please visit our website and click on Advice.